The log is too big for the Wood-mizer LT35. Will not pick it up. Get that cant hook. Oh, I'll get this one. Just roll it on the ground. Up. Back up that tractor. Okay. Got it? Really didn't want to chainsaw another one. All right, it's getting hot out here.
A little bit.
Feels good. So you don't want me to chainsaw it first before you split it?
I would love that.
Yeah, but see, the problem is my chainsaw will go all the way through. Yeah, I won't go down that far. I'll only go in about that far. That way you can split it. Freaking hot out here.
Hot. Is that thermal, you know?
You know what? Should have filled up gas yesterday. Shit. Gracie? What are you doing, messing around? Sleeping? You should break this real quick. Real quick.
All right. Hopefully.
That's coming apart quick, ain't it?
Cutting the half and half.
Yep. Cutting it in a quarter. And it's coming apart quick, too. Of course, I got almost all the way through it with the bar.
Oh, I hear it. Whoops, missed.
Something's cracking.
I hear it.
Whether it's
Careful.
Creasy's back.
Get your step. Whoop.
All right, take a break if you want, dude. Yep, you're missing too much.
Keep moving though, big time. There you go.
Yeah, it's about to crack.
Yeah, I heard a split. Careful. All right. Nice. Whoop. Middle.
Don't hit them too hard to start out. They're not even set in yet. Oh, they're just bouncing back.
Yeah,
Yep.
they're bouncing off
All right,
each
hit
other.
them other two and then hit all four of the ones you already got in.
There you go.
Those two set.
Yep.
Drive that one right there. Drive it.
Whoop.
All right, now try these two a little bit. You don't have to stop in mid-swing when I'm talking, dude. You just go ahead with your swing for sure. Just a little light. Okay, now you can try and hit one. Try to hit that one.
Bounce.
Yep, just try to hit it. Hard. Hard. Nope.
Whoop.
Oh yeah, I can chainsaw this right here.
Yeah.
Yep. I can chainsaw that right there. See if we can get that one out. Hit this little. Let's see what happens. I don't care. Just splitter. There you go. Knock her down. Did it bounce out? Or did you miss it? Man.
Yeah, no.
She don't want to crack there, does she?
What about on the other end? Is it alright?
Oh yeah, but I kind of want to get them splitting the same time if we can, but we're not going to be able to. So try standing at the end where that chainsaw is, and swing it at that one on the end.
Right here?
Yep. Put your feet over by, there you go. I already texted your dad and told him to be late, dude, so don't even try it. Told your dad we weren't getting through this log for an hour, so he said okay. He said you can't have him for another hour. Where's your gloves? Over there sitting on the freaking bench. His are right there. Oh, those are your mom's? You want mine? Okay. You can drive that double one down too. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. And that's it. Let's see if we can get those up. Might be able to get this one up. Yep.
Double them up or just...
Double them up.
Okay.
Just tap them. Okay. Now tap these. They're gonna bounce out too. Got to, Tina.
Can you hit it?
Go ahead. I don't care. You're not gonna hit it hard enough to matter.
Hard to get it in there. What the hell? Just...
Got him? I don't know.
You want it?
I want one right here. I want to see if this will pop. But then you can just place any of them anywhere. Nope, that won't pop. Maybe that bigger one. Down here.
That long one?
No, that big fat maul handle. The one that with the hole in the middle of it. That one ain't going nowhere. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't chainsaw very deep. But I can't hit that crack because I don't want to hit that wedge in there. You know, there's still 2 wedges in there. I don't want to hit them wedges. There it goes.
That's the one. Right there.
I don't want to drive them any further than that. I won't get them out.
Popping out. Let me try that one.
Good. Because I'm about done with video today. And that sucked. Now we can mill it. I should probably start fresh tomorrow with a clear head. So I'm worn out.
I bet. That was go.
My ass is worn out.
Quite a feat.
Yeah. So lesson learned? Go ahead and chainsaw them and quarter saw them. Shit. That wedge and shit is for the birds.
That big again, I guess we know.
Yeah.
Well, you got that other.
Well, and that's why I did it. That's the only reason I took the tree that big.
Yeah.
Was, or went and got the big tree that big. I couldn't haul it on my Kubota. I couldn't haul it on my trailer. Couldn't roll it hardly when it was full. I would have never got it on my trailer. So I had to pay somebody to, well, trade somebody to pick it up and put it on a car hauler. So, you know, on one of the tilt bed trucks and pull it up there. I'd never done it before. All you see is people doing it on YouTube and you think, oh, that looks easy. It's not. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Get your chainsaw out.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, get your chainsaw out and dig into it that way. Because this is no fun. You can't see any of the real grain pattern because it's, you know, all beat up and chainsawed and everything. And
Yeah.
so you got to get that off, clean that off. Wasted so many slabs doing this. You know, putting it in quarters. But I had no other way of doing it. I couldn't mill half of it. I tried. We had it up on there. We couldn't get it to stand up. The hydraulics wouldn't stand it up, and wouldn't have fit anyway. I would have had to saw it off a little bit more off.